Welcome to the final video of Series 2, and today we're just going to be taking a look back at all the components we've added to our SharePoint site, looking at the full view of what we've made over the last few weeks. This is the SharePoint site that we've been working on. As you can see, we have team news and we also have a Power App next to it. We also have weather. The Power App is also interactable and people can enter information and submit tickets if they wanted to. This is the SharePoint site that not only provides information but also interacts with the user. This SharePoint site provides a unique view for each user that visits it. They'll see their own news, own documents, and own sites that they're connected to. All of the components we've added here are to make sure that the user is connected to the business and they get to understand the events that are happening, any forms which they need to fill in, and any news which they need to be very much aware of in the business. And also, we have cool ways of showing links that they need to access on a day-to-day basis. And finally, we have videos that we share, and these can be videos that are key to the business that users need to be aware of. And this series has shown you how to create a communication site that's not only useful, but also has interactive elements that users can use and enjoy. We hope you've enjoyed this series, and we cannot wait to see you in Series 3. Until then, goodbye.